Okay, today guys I'm going to give you one quick basic lesson with the Balisong knife, also known as the butterfly knife. See, I have one in my hand. Show you that it is indeed sharp. Okay, the main thing with a butterfly knife is you always want to be conscious of where the edge is. On this one, the edge is on this side, and the fastener is pretty typically on the opposite side. So what I'm going to teach you today is the basic flip. So with your Balisong, we'll close it. With it closed up, you want to grab the handle with the connector, the fastener, grab that angle, that handle, and then you want to flip it. Flip it back on your hand, see that? Then you rotate and just grab it. And then to close it, you're going to do the same thing. This is the basic flip technique. So the part that has the blade, the sharp end, is here. It does not have the fastener, because when you get the knife up, you can clip it in there. And this is actually a Balisong from Koodman, which I believe is an Italian manufacturer. So that's what holds the two handle pieces together. Always holding on to this handle. And flip it, twist it around, and then close it up. So when you get good at it, you can start to flip it around fast, hard. That's the Balisong butterfly knife basic flip. Always practice with a dull butterfly knife. Don't practice with a sharp one.